Good morning, sparkly people. Today is Sunday. I don't even know today's date, January 24th, I think so. January 24th. It is 12. I don't know what time it is. See, I should probably redo that. I'll put the actual time and actual date and all that stuff in the bottom here. But hey, we're back. So what's going on in my life right now? It's Sunday and this place is an absolute mess. So we're gonna clean up today. Actually, like self-care Sunday. So self-care includes like taking care of myself, taking care of the house. I also have some filming that I need to do because you guys know I'm still working on my red bottom showgirl costume, and that has to be done, or at least the lingerie portion needs to be done by the end of the week so that when I get the gown in February, I can go ahead and move forward on that. My towel is coming off now. I also am having a little bit of an existential crisis here when it comes to one of my goals for the next 2 weeks, which is the overhauling of my Instagram. I don't know if I talked to you guys about that already, but if I haven't talked to you guys about it, I'm trying to overhaul my Instagram and actually make it look good because I should have more Instagram followers than I do right now. It makes absolutely no sense that I have 14,000 subscribers on YouTube, but I only have like 6,500, something like that on Instagram. So we need to fix that. I mean, I'm a burlesque dancer. I have costumes, I have stuff that I could be like working with and that I could be doing, and I'm just not. So we need to fix that. If you haven't taken a gander at my Instagram lately, you should go ahead and do so, but I'm gonna probably like pop it in over here above my Dunkin' Donuts with oat milk. But I seem to be getting some really good response on my Instagram and the way that I've been doing it now. I'm going to start working in colors. So right now, or rather over Christmas, I was in like this, obviously, like Christmas mode, which looked really, really good. And then 2 years, I worked into gold, and then at the beginning of January, I decided to go into black and white. Now, February is coming, obviously Valentine's Day, and my original plan was to go straight into light pink. Everything is gonna be like light pink aesthetic. I'm gonna do photo shoots with light pink. I'm going to find aesthetic photos from Instagram and take aesthetic photos in light pink and build a burlesque costume in light pink, because you guys know I'm on completing all of my costumes this year. Everything that I have, everything that I've been thinking about, I'm completing it all this year. Then I realized I already have lingerie, red lingerie and a red robe that I could stone, and I have a whole bunch of red stones that I could definitely put on and just get a corset and some red pumps and a really cute like heart hairpiece, and that's like a finished costume. It's basic, but it's like a nice looking traditional burlesque costume. And I'm thinking that I should get that done first. So comment down below what you guys think. Should I get the red costume done first or go into light pink immediately? All right, let's run that back one more time just to like clarify exactly what we're getting done today. I'm going to clean up the entire house. I have laundry to do, and I'm also going to try to knock out the rest of my red bottom showgirl costume. And then of course, like I said, I want you guys to help me decide whether or not I am going to work on the red costume first, but I think in my head, I've kind of already decided the first 2 weeks of February, I think are gonna be the red. So you get a full Sunday with me, looking a hot ass mess. Let's go.
Love to show off a little outfit of the day action before I get started on my laundry. I run the laundry while I'm crafting downstairs because it's just easier. Get my work done while I'm also getting housework done. All right, now I'm gonna head downstairs and get ready to sit down at my little craft table in my little makeshift studio area to rhinestone.
All right, so I thought I would show you the progress that I've made on my red bottom showgirl costume because I'm kind of proud. Last night I stayed up until about 2 a.m. I know, on a Saturday night, just watching movies. I think I was watching like Grease 2.
I'm trying to be cool here. Run and get me out of here right now.
I watched Bridgerton, the end again, and some other stuff while I was rhinestoning because you guys know that my red bottom showgirl costume is not finished and kind of a hot mess. Glue everywhere, not enough stones, nothing that a professional burlesque dancer's costume should look like. So we're starting over. We're making things look fresh, fabulous, and new. I'll show you. All this waist, taking all this booty. So I'm gonna start with the back of the underwear here, and you can see like just how crappy that looks. Like that is what I did the first time I attempted to stone this costume, and that's gross. Like, who wants to look at that up close? But this side I've kind of already redone, cleaned up a little bit, and you guys can see that the stoning is a little bit cleaner on this side. Of course, from far away you can't even tell these look huge, but they're high-waisted and I'm thick, so you guys can see that I've cleaned this up just a little bit. There was a lot of glue in this central area that I had to cover up with more black stones, and I'm still not done. And I'm gonna finish rhinestoning the back of this piece today. It has to be done. You see I started on this side, but I haven't finished and I still have to clean up some of those glue strings there. The same thing happened on the bra when I first started. You can see some of the glue in between the stones there, and I'm gonna fix that today. And I've decided with the gown that I'm gonna purchase, it's a low back halter gown, so these straps are probably gonna have to go. And they need to go anyway because the first time I rhinestoned these, I used, and I didn't realize, white E6000. So you can definitely see that. It's not attractive. Instead of clear E6000, so that needs to be fixed. And then the corset. This is how many stones were on it before, just a small smattering. That's the back, because I haven't gotten there yet. Here's the front. And I'm still not done. More stoning to be done. More stuff to be added. This one also has a garter belt. This garter belt is really old. This belonged to my mother and she gave it to me as a gift. I decided to turn it into a costume, but at this point it's kind of like, I want to keep it because it belonged to my mom and not like mess it up anymore. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna probably get a new black garter belt and line it with red velvet, just like the bra and the corset. Then the only other thing that's missing from this pile is, of course, the gloves. I've decided that for the gloves, I want black gloves, but on the inside, I want them to be lined in red. Recently subscribed to Media Noche's Burlesque OnlyFans. And for those of you who are looking for like really in-depth costume tutorials, you need to go subscribe to her channel. It's $5 a month. So she was talking about specifically gloves when it comes to burlesque and how you don't necessarily want to invest a whole lot in putting stones and all types of crazy stuff on your gloves, especially if you perform a lot, because the gloves end up getting worn down, they get covered in lipstick, they get thrown into the audience, they get lost. So why are you adding all these extra embellishments and things to a piece of the costume that's probably not going to last as long as the rest of the costume? So when it comes to the gloves, my original plan was to like rhinestone the insides and do all types of crazy stuff, but I don't think that I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to follow Media Noche's advice and give it a little bit of a smattering of stones, and that's it. Nothing that I'm going to freak out about if I lose them or if they get worn down, etc. Shout out to Media Noche for that costuming tip. All right, so we're still stoning. Just ordered lunch. Kind of a light lunch today. Got a smoothie from Pliables to keep it light so that I won't stop rhinestoning and I will keep doing my chores.
The next morning.
Oh, hey. So the Sunday vlog has carried into Monday. Hey, because we've got so much to do. I am dressed because I'm getting ready to film in this area as soon as I clean this all up. I'm gonna be doing some boa tricks for you guys. I think I'm gonna do 5 boa tricks in this video and then do another video with a second 5 boa tricks. Things that you guys can like put together to make your own burlesque routine featuring a feather boa or any other type of boa, whatever you feel. Then I am going to finish working on this costume here, and then I've got to go to Michael's because I need to start buying my backdrop situation for Valentine's Day. Because you guys know I kind of already decided without your voting that I'm definitely going to go ahead and start with the red, like I said, and then move into light pink after 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go get some Valentine's Day backdrop type stuff and then just go ahead and put it up and get started. Because not only am I doing the overhaul on my Instagram, but I'm also doing the overhaul on my Lonely Clams. You guys know what that is. So I wanna make sure that everything is ready for February 1st and we're just looking good and staying on track for this year. So of course, before I begin like filming anything, I always go ahead and script out exactly what I'm gonna be talking about. And especially with like choreography videos, I like to practice things through a few times. Cause like the first couple of videos I didn't practice ahead of time, and then I saw myself on camera and I was like, oh my God, do I dance like that? And like, I don't dance like that. And it was kind of embarrassing. So now I wanna make sure that my like look is refined. So I was making sure that I was practicing my boa tricks to make sure that they looked exactly how I wanted them to look on camera, because I'm trying to level up here, y'all. Give you some better quality product, you know? See these smooth tricks, these smooth handcuff transitions? Bam, baby. Woo! There are feathers everywhere. So I just finished filming my boa tricks video, my basic boa tricks video. So that should be posted, well, I'm gonna post this vlog before I post the boa tricks video. So be sure to look out for it. Also, since I've got you here and it's Monday and tomorrow's Tuesday, I should talk to you guys about my new weekly show that I do on Instagram, Tipsy Tuesday. It's answering all of your burning burlesque questions. We talk burlesque hot topics, we talk general hot topics, and we just gossip. It's a really great way for you guys to get to know me, like personally, because I'm live and I'm answering your questions live and we're talking just like friends, just like girlfriend, burlesque baby sister and big mama, you know? It's a good time, so you should join me. I do this every Tuesday on my Instagram live at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's United States Eastern Standard Time. I don't know if there's, you know what I mean, because I know some of you are in the United Kingdom and Germany, because besides the United States, those are my two highest watched countries, or those are the countries that watch me the most. So hey UK, hey Germany, thank you so much for being here. So yeah, check me out then. I'm about to go eat something really quick and then vacuum up all the feathers that are on the floor and put this away. I have to go to Michael's because I want to get that Love is Art kit canvas stretched and put on bars. And then I also want, like I said, I'm going to start my background for February so I can get a head start on shooting starting tomorrow. I'll be back.
1 hour later.
So we're in Michael's. I looked at the Valentine's Day spread and there really wasn't much there. So I got 2 tablecloths and 2 little backdrops. These are 40% off right now. So hopefully that'll at least get me started. Oh, these flowers look fantastic. This is like such a backdrop mood. Ooh, that looks so good. I need to come back in here and do one of those Michael's photo shoots. It is slim pickings right now for Valentine's Day, but there's Easter everywhere. We haven't even hit Valentine's and it's Easter. This is so hurtful. But the flowers look great. Plant section is cleared. No picks. Yeah, there's nothing here. I'm done.
1 hour later.
Hey again, Real Deal Holyfield, next day, looking crazy. The whole point of this vlog video was to show you guys me rhinestoning, and my camera went off, so you didn't get to see that. And then I was like, okay, cool, I'll take them to Michael's so they can see me find the stuff that I need for my Valentine's Day backdrops, and that didn't happen. So as I'm editing, I realized it's like a vlog with no beginning, middle, or end. It's got a beginning. Still trying to figure out this whole vlogging thing, so we'll pick this back up again in a couple of days. But you guys stay tuned for my boa tricks video, which is coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for enjoying my Hot Mess Express ride. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next vlog. I want to know. I want to get this right. I want to be a good vlogger, because the vlog was a mess and this vlog was a mess. So much for watching and riding this absolutely glamorous train with me today. And I'll catch you in the next video.